Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain string handling functions in C language. So what is a string? What type of operations are performed on the string? Those are called as string functions. So what is a string means? String is a collection of characters, group of characters. So on that characters, if you are performing any functions, any operations, those are called as string handling functions. How can you handle with strings? That is called as string handling functions. So what is a string means? String is a collection of characters. Group of characters is known as a string. Collection of characters or group of characters. So how can you define a string? Means in C language there is no specific data type for defining a string. For defining the string also we have to use one data type, that is CHAR, character data type only. The syntax is character, variable name, and within brackets we specify what is the size of that string, how many characters we require. For example, I want to define a S name of the student. So which data type it is? CHAR, character data type. With 10 characters I need it. So char S name of 10 means it takes up to 10 characters. That is called as a string. For handling string handling functions, we have to include one header file that is called as string.h. Without including this function, without including this file, if you are using string handling function, those are not at all working. So you have to include #include string.h, then only it is possible to use string handling functions. Now I will give some string handling functions. What are the string handling functions? These are the string handling functions. In this, all the functions are start with str because it is a string. The first function is strlen function. Len means length. Str means string length. It is used for finding the length of the string. Second function is strrev. Rev means reverse, str means string reverse. This is used for reverse of a string reverse. Third function, strcmp. Cmp means comparison, string comparison. This is used for comparing two strings. Fourth function is strcat, concatenation, combining two strings. Concatenation or adding two strings. For that we need strcat function. Next function is strcpy. strcpy. This is used for copying one string into another string. Now I will explain all those functions one after another. The first function is strlen function. Len means length of the function. Finding the length of the string. strlen is used for finding the length of the string. What is the meaning of length of the string? Means number of characters in the given string. Number of characters in the given string. This is the syntax. Now I am writing syntax. strlen within brackets, within quotations, you have to give any value, any string. If you want to give direct values in the bracket, then we keep semicolons, double quotations, because double quotations is for string. Example is strlen. Within quotations I am using word hello. So length of the word hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters are there. Immediately it gives the answer is 5. One more is I took one variable like s. In that s I use the word hello world. It is a string, I keep it in the double quotation. So strlen of s. In this I took parameter like s because s contains number of characters. So what is the length of the string? 10. It counting the number of characters and gives the answer. So this is the strlen function. The second function, strrev. Str for string, rev for reverse. This is used for find reverse of a string. Syntax is strrev. Similarly, like if you want to give direct value is keep it in the double quotations. Example is strrev within double quotations HYD. HYD means Hyderabad. So what is the words are coming? Reverse order. HYD coming to reverse order. DYH. Otherwise, one more example. Character because string data type. Variable name is S. Size is 10. In this I store the values like world. So what is the value of S now? S is the world. So now I am using strrev of S. So reverse of S. What is the reverse of S? S has some value like world. So it is world is printed in reverse order. Okay, so this is the working of string reverse function. Next, one more function is strcmp. strcmp means string comparison. Comparing one string into another string is called as string comparison. Here we need two parameters because one string is compared to second string. Comparison. Two parameters we require. String length and string reverse we need only one parameter, but string comparison we need two parameters. Comparing one string with another string. Syntax is if both the strings are equal, whenever after comparing both the strings are equal, then it gives the answer is 0. So whenever it gives 0, then we can understand both the strings are equal. Otherwise it gives positive number or negative number. When it gives positive number means first string is more than second string. The value of first string is more than second string, then it gives positive value. When it gives negative means first string is less than second string. If the value of first string is smaller than second string, then it gives the answer is negative value, negative number. If both are equal, 0. If both are not equal, other than 0. Now we'll go for syntax. strcmp. Two parameters we require, s1 comma s2 semicolon. If both the strings are equal, then only k equal to we are assigning to variable k. If both k value either 0, positive or negative. K value 0 means both are equal, other than 0. For example, I am defining two strings s1, character s1 equal to HYD, and similarly define S2 also, S2 equal to hello. So there are two strings S1 and S2, S1 value is Hyderabad, S2 is hello. strcmp, string comparison. I am assigned to the variable k equal to strcmp S1 comma S2. If you are like this, comparing S1 value and S2 value. What is S1 value? HYD, S2 value is hello. First characters both are equal, no problem. But second character, Y and E. So that's why both are not equal. Then it gives other than 0 value. That is also strings are not equal. So Y is more than E. That's why it gives some positive value. Because first string 1 is more than string 2. One more example. S1 is HYD, S2 is HYD. So now comparing these two strings, strcmp, S1 comma S2. I will give assign to the variable k. So what is the result of this case now? 0, because both the strings are equal. So whenever both the strings are equal, then result is 0. One more example. S1 equal to HYD, S2 equal to HYD, but here H is capital. HYD both are same, but it is case sensitive. That's why whenever comparing these two strings, it gives the answer is not equal. Now we'll go for one more function, that is strcpy. Cpy means copy. Str means string. Copy the string. Copy one string into another string. Here also we need two parameters, because we require copying one string into another string. The syntax is, we have to explain each and everything with syntax and example. strcpy s1 comma s2. Here s2 is copied into s1. That means s2 is source string. That means you have the value in s2. S1 is destination string, output string. S2 is input, S1 is output. S2 is copied into S1. For example, character, this is the defining of string data type, S1 not 10, S2 10. I define just two strings, S1 comma S2, both are the equal to size is 10, 10. I will take S2 is hello. Now I am using strcpy s1 comma s2. S2 has some value. S1 is not at all any value, just empty string. So now S2 is copied into S1. After finishing this function, what is the value of S1? Now S1 is also hello. Because S2 is the value of hello, that S2 is copied into S1. So S1 is also hello. Next function is strcat. Cat means concatenation. Str means string. Concatenation of strings, adding of strings, combining the strings. Anything is known as concatenation. Syntax is, here also we need two parameters. Stringcat strcat s1 comma s2 is added to s1. S1 equal to S1 plus S2. S1 contains its own values plus S2 values is also added to S1. Example is character. We will take two characters, two strings. Two strings names are S1 and S2. Both the sizes are, S1 size is 15. But in this I took the word just hello. And I define one more S2 with size is 10. Here I am using world. So S1 has value hello, S2 is the value of world. So whenever I declared like this, S1 of 15 means 15 memory locations are allotted to the variable S1. 15 memory locations. So 0 to 14, totally 15. 15 memory locations are allotted to S1. In this, what is the value? Hello, HELLO. Next S2, what is the size of the S2? 10. That means 10 memory locations are allotted, 0 to 9. So in this world is stored. But string is always end with a /o. One more extra character is taking /o. So S1 is 15, S2 is size 10. Now I am using function strcat s1 comma s2. That means S2 is copied into S1. S1 is already some word is there, that is hello. After hello, the S2 value is world. World is also added to S1. What is the S1 size? S1 size is 15. So first take 15 spaces for S1. 0 to 14. S1 actual word of S1 is hello. It is not at all changed anything. But here after removing /o and it added in that place second string, that is world. Then /o, that means entire thing. That means now after this S1 is hello word, S2 is only world. There is no change in the word. So this is the working of stringcat functions, strcat. So these all are the string handling functions. strlen, rev, cmp, cat, cpy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.